Okay guys, so I got this Miele dishwasher. Excuse my cough today. Bad cold still. The intake drain light comes on. It'll fill up the water, it'll drain the water, but if you have it on any of the programs, it won't actually run the circulation pump and splash the water everywhere inside to clean the dishes. As you can see, it's a G841SC Plus. It's not the newest model. A lot of these are similar. On the inside here, get that out of there. You pull all this stuff out of here, and there's still a bunch of water in there, so I'm gonna have to get it to drain first. Right in the bottom there, where you see my finger going, is the circulation pump. And usually that gets stuck because we don't use this dishwasher too often. And I got this, what they call the hook tool, the infamous hook tool. And there's the part numbers and stuff. You can basically call up Miele. I paid like 15 bucks. They were going to charge me for shipping originally, but per later express it got here in a couple days, not even. And there's kind of the instructions. So you take that hook tool and you stick it right down in that hole there, and you twist it left and right and free up the impeller that's in there for the circulation pump. Because if you don't use it for a long time, apparently the food stuff and the shaft gets, the seal goes hard or something, and then the pump can't turn. So we're going to try and free that up. So as you can hear, we're just draining it right now. And as soon as it's all empty, we'll get the tool in there and see if we can free that thing up. There we go, it's empty. Okay. Get that out of the bag here. So I guess it doesn't matter which way it goes in. It goes in there. I'm supposed to twist it. There we go. Okay, that's firmly in there. I can actually feel that I'm on the impeller now. And that was a little bit stuck, so we'll just try and spin it around a bit. Go forwards and backwards. Okay, so put that screen back in. There we go. Get that stuff out of there, and we'll try and do a quick run here. Okay, we'll stop it, and then we'll do, let's try economy. So it's filling up. I don't think it made that sound before. That's a good sound. It's actually washing. Nice. That's fixed. There we go. So if you have an issue with your Miele dishwasher, get this hook tool or fabricate up something similar to that. It's about 3/4 inches wide, and all you need is something that you can basically spin that impeller and loosen it up. So awesome. Take a look inside. It's washing. Perfect.
Yo, I make it raw and rugged, I make it rough for the MCs following me. I make it tough for the fans that are following me. I got enough rhymes and beats to take us all night until the dusk. Getting blazed off the joint like you're taking a puff. Kid, my shit don't make you crazy like you're blowing the dust. You pop Chris, I'ma drop in it, and then you say, damn, I can't believe he just did it.